Hi, I am Abiodun Arije, and today I'll be showing you how to schedule a Zoom meeting and invite participants. I'm very sure you must have downloaded the Zoom app or software depending on the device you're using. You can get that on Zoom's official website or your smartphone app store. After downloading, you must have installed just the way I have here and also signed up. If you've done all this, you can launch your Zoom app. This is my Zoom desktop app. I'm signed in already. If you are not signed in, you see an option for you to enter your password and your email or register, which is sign up. I'm a basic plan user, which means I have 40 minutes time limit. If I want to go beyond 40 minutes, I have to upgrade to the pro plan or the business plan. We have these options: new setting, new meeting, join, schedule, share screens, home, chats, meetings, contacts. Since we'll be going through how to schedule a Zoom meeting, I'm going to click on schedule. You have a pop-up where you set the topic. The topic of our meeting is business plan writing. Yes, that will be the topic of our meeting. Then I'm going to set the start date and the start time. What's the duration of the meeting? I could choose up to 24 hours, but note that basic plan users have a cap of 40 minutes. So as a basic plan user, I'll leave it at 30 minutes. You can click either you want it to be a recurring meeting or not. The meeting ID, do you want it to be generated automatically or you want to use your personal meeting ID? Then you can also set the password. Then we move to the other settings here, which is video. Now the video, do you want video to be turned on or off for the host? And also, do you want the same thing to be done for the participants? Well, I want the host video to be on, and also the participants, I want to see their faces, so I'm going to check on for both. It's a schedule. It's a meeting that has been scheduled, so I have the option of selecting either Outlook, Google, or other calendars. I'm going to be leaving it at Google Calendar. We have advanced option, enable waiting room. Do you want people who come to your meeting or your section, do you want them to be kept in the waiting room before you admit them manually into the meeting? You click on this if you want that. Enable join before host. Do you want your participants to join the meeting before you? Mute participants upon entry. Do you want the participant mic to be muted once they are joining the meeting? This will help to reduce distraction, and also automatically record meeting on the local computer. Once you start the meeting, Zoom automatically records the meeting and stores it in your local computer. So you click on schedule. You can see it's scheduling, and it takes me to my Google Calendar. For the sake of a reminder, I'll do all the necessary things I need to do here. Let us go back to our Zoom desktop app. Our meeting has been scheduled. How do we send invitation out? You can send invitation to your contacts on WhatsApp, on Facebook, and via email, as long as you have the invitation. How do you get the invitation? You click on these three dots here and you have copy invitation. Once you click on copy invitation, it will copy some contents into the clipboard. Then you can go to your email and compose a new message. Let's assume this is blank. You compose a new message, your recipients, your subjects, just the way you send your emails. If you have a list of emails of people registered for your meeting, you can add your those emails to the recipients, probably the CC or the BCC, however way you want it. You come to the body of the mail, then you paste. So you have everything here. You can decide to customize it to your own language, to your own taste. This is the topic right here, business plan writing. This is the time and the date. This is a link for joining. So anyone who clicks on this particular link would join your meeting, but they won't be able to join before time because it's a scheduled meeting. The meeting will be opened once it's that time, except if you decide to start the meeting. Yeah. So aside using Gmail, you can send to other platforms, and that is exactly how to schedule a Zoom meeting and invite participants. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.